The Daily Product Showcase is back again. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. Have you thought of a gift for your loved one yet? If not, then let's create this special gift together right now. To start making this painting, we first need to prepare a 9 by 9 inch paper template. Carefully trim off the excess paper. To enhance the appearance of the frame, we'll use a suitable background frame matching the template size. First, prepare 2 wooden sticks with natural colors. Next, 2 pebbles painted red on the belly to form the shape of 2 birds. Lastly, 2 red wooden hearts, which you can customize in color and size as you like. Once you're happy with the arrangement, use glue to fix them in place. Use a black oil-based pen to draw the beaks and feet for these adorable birds. Take note that there's a quote here. And when you visit our store, the quotes in the artwork and the colors can all be customized to your liking. After waiting for the glue to dry, we'll frame the painting and complete it. So we have completed the painting. See you in the next product.